All right, honor students, I'm going to go through what we got going on really this week, but also next week. So got everything kind of set up for you here. If you take a look at the agenda, from here on out is pretty easy this week and next week, and I'll explain why in a second. But today, mostly, the only thing you need to worry about is watching the short Boyle's Law video and then do these problems just like you did last week with the pressure units. All right. And again, second period, 5th, 7th, whichever one you're in, Monday, Tuesday. There you go. Also, you'll see the rest of the week here, we're able to pause. Wednesday and Thursday will be we don't have to have class, so we're electing not to. I've been very pleased with the way people have been working. For the most part, with the exception of a handful of students, you guys have been cruising and doing a great job of getting everything done. So awesome job. So on Wednesday and Thursday, there's nothing expected from you from honors chemistry. And on Friday, I got pause and remote learning, which is not... if you need something, let me know. Here's the thing I really want to draw your attention to, because this is kind of nice if you like to work ahead. So as you can see, the Boyle's Law is due tonight, depending on what class you have. But if you click on this gas modules here, on the gas module, gas laws module, you can see here, this is it as far as new material goes. So what you did, you already did pressure units, these two assignments. Today, you're going to do Boyle's Law and Boyle's Law problems. So you watch the video, do the problems. Now from here on out, these are all open. Now you'll notice that, for example, if we click on Charles' Law here, you can see the due date is set. So the due date is set for the 26th. The due date is set for the 4th and the 5th, which is next week. Now you'll notice here that it's available on the 26th. So that means it's open, ready to go. And that's the case for everything here. Now you'll see here that, for example, Charles' Law, the only way you can go on is to score a 5 out of 6. And it just kind of goes with that there. So like, for example, Boyle's Law you do today, as soon as you get a 5 out of 6, it's going to open up this video. As soon as you watch this video, it's going to open up this video, so on and so forth. And the due dates are set basically, I think, if I remember right, so we got this week, these right here, Charles' Law and Gay-Lussac's Law, that's due next week, early in the week, Monday, Tuesday. And then these things right here are due on, there, I click on that, on the 4th and 5th, which is Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So those are the due dates, and you have to get them done by then. But if you are thinking, man, I got all this extra time here, we're not doing anything for 3 days, if you want to work ahead, go for it. I fully support that. If you want to finish all the new material for this semester, you'll be done. You'll be sitting good. Next week, you can be doing nothing in chemistry if you want. Now, if you're a person that would prefer to take these 3 days off and maybe get a brain break, go for that. You can do that too. Totally up to you, but you'll see I'll make up the agenda for next week, and it'll say these things right here that I was just talking about. You'll be working on Charles' Law, Gay-Lussac's Law, combine, and they're all there for you. Watch a video, do the problems. Get a proficient score, go on to the next video. Sometimes you do 2 videos, sometimes you do 2 quizzes, but just keep on keeping on there. Again, give you some choices. Manage your time, manage your break from school here before we jump right into reviewing and into the final. But hopefully everybody's doing great. Keep up the good work. We're almost there. Email me if you need something. Let me know what you need. If not, just keep on plugging forward and get yourself a break sometime in the next 2 weeks. All right? Thanks a lot.